Jinjira Fort, also known as Janjira Fort, is an ancient marvel located off the coast of Maharashtra, India. With a history dating back to the 15th century, this island fortress stands as a testament to the region's maritime prowess. Originally constructed by a Siddhi ruler, it remained unconquered despite numerous attempts by powerful Maratha and European forces. The fort's strategic location on a rocky island in the Arabian Sea ensured its protection and control over maritime trade routes. Its massive stone walls, cannons and watchtowers showcase the architectural brilliance of the time. Accessible by boat, the fort's allure lies in its intriguing history, with legends of a hidden underwater tunnel for escape. Although now in ruins, Jinjira Fort's enigmatic charm attracts history enthusiasts and adventurers alike, providing a glimpse into the maritime past